Hi, it's Saturday and I'm looking a little bit more nicer today because my boss said we are going to shoot a video on the factory. So I'm going to take you into the factory in order to make sure that this thing is proven, it's real, and taking you in a little bit in our testing center. This is basically where customers start when they enter us and when we take the factory tour. So we start in our experience center, our testing center, where everything happens. When it comes to playing around with machines, demonstrating, making videos with my team of marketing, and making sure that you have all the information that you need before you decide to recommend a machine, before you decide to buy a machine, before you decide to do business with JLH. So basically, our area where we have a lot of machines on the floor to demonstrate and test, and also to do engineering and R&D. And over there we see already the factory. Our colleague is going to open the door. We have our meeting room over here for the colleagues with a big television screen. We have our measuring room on the other side with our Zeiss measurement equipment. Over here we see the assembly line of the high-speed circular plate saws. So on the left side you see that parts are being assembled of the machine, and then on the right side you see that the machine is almost finished. I asked our cameraman to go quick because it's a big factory and we want the video as short as possible. Nevertheless, we don't want you to miss one part of it. So on the other side behind me, you see the assembly line of the high-speed circular cold saws. And now I'm going to slowly take you more inside the other assembly lines, something that you've only seen on produced videos and not on reality videos like this one. So on this side we have the assembly line of the special projects. You can already see over here our storage system for the parts. On this side is the assembly line of the band saws, 320, 420, 530, so everything up to 500 millimeter is something that is built over here. Over here I'm going to take you a little bit more in. This is the packing and let's say the in and outgoing of the goods of the parts. So it goes into the system and it comes out to the system. So small boxes for small parts, big boxes for big parts, and basically that pallet is already standing ready for the assembly line. Parts are going on that pallet and it goes into the factory. So per machine, per line, we have parts that go to the assembly line. Every product is weighed. Pictures are showing on the screen what needs to be packed, just to make sure, because we are working with humans. We work with 350 people in the factory, 375 people global. Going to take you a little bit more into the next step. The next assembly line is basically the bigger assembly line for bigger machines. Let's say everything starting from 700 millimeter is built on this side just until 1300. And on the other side you see giants. This is where the real big machines are built. Everything 1300 millimeter and up is built on this side. Something new and something very professional I want to show you is basically our automatic tooling system. So when a tool is missing, it's breaking from our CNC or milling machines or bed milling machines, turning machines, people come over here, they batch, take the tool, go in again, and the invoice is only sent the moment that we take the tool out. Then this is a way also of smart manufacturing. The next step is where the drilling, the milling of the parts is done. So we have in total at this moment 6 bed milling machines. New machines are coming in. And on the other side, you see our CNC centers on the left, a bed milling machine on the front, a bed milling machine on the back, and in the middle we have the turning department. So basically, this is the tour of the factory. Completely in the back we have the powder coating line, and we also have over here the cutting area. This is where long material is cut into pieces in order to be welded in our welding department. But that is for next video. So this is the main part of a factory where the biggest action is happening, and yeah, so happy that you listened again. Thanks.